Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John McGarrett, and in my YouTube tips today, I want to talk about diversifying content. So here's my main channel. It's kind of hit or miss, whatever, but starting to get a little something going on. So I just want to talk about it. Okay, so the analytics. See how there's now views per hour. Now we're doing a bit, and it may seem like it's not long form. There's some long form here um, from my daily YouTube journey. But the views are coming from shorts, and that's why I want to talk about it. I want to talk about shorts today. So if you have a channel, especially if you're a talking head channel, this work really well. I think you should think about making shorts and making a lot of them. To do with your niche, or whatever you're interested in. Because let's take a look here. I'll show you kind of what's been going on. So I made some shorts back in the day of my charcoal experiment, and that did pretty good. A lot of people saw it. I don't think I may have gotten a couple subscribers off of it, but whatever. I noticed the power of putting it in front of people pretty quickly. Just getting shown to people, I think, is important because so there's this guy, Alex Herbosi, and he talks about people who watch shorts content tend to watch more shorts content, and people who watch long form content tend to watch more long form content. But I feel like a lot of it in the YouTube space is that it doesn't matter if you watch shorts or longs, that you're going to get recommended channels based on what content of theirs you watch. So I think this is just a theory, a hypothesis in my head so far, is that if you watch enough shorts from somebody, their main long form will still pop up on your channel. Maybe. Now that I think about that, I'm not 100% sure because I used to watch Pirate Software a lot, but he did not pop up. Whatever. It doesn't really matter too much, a little bit. I think it's just all the exposure. I think exposure matters to the internet. You should be thinking about this from exposing yourself in total to the internet because YouTube is a great place to grow, but it is it's good soil to grow in, but you should try to expand further than that eventually. But so that being said, I just started posting indiscriminately. I would just get these ideas, and when I do something, I like to do it a lot hard, really hard. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I posted 10 videos just to see what would happen. Got one hit, got another mini hit, and then I got one sub. And then I'm like, okay, well, I'll do it again the next day. It seems new YouTubers was if you're a new YouTuber. And then the other one was YouTube success. So then the next day I fired off using that idea and just from that idea branched into another idea and then tried hitting that video 10 times. And then what? I didn't do it on this. Oh yeah, I remember taking the sixth off because I just took that day off from producing content, and the seventh because that was my weekend and I hit a wall. But when I went back to work, I just kept pumping the shorts, and as you can see, a lot of them are misses. But from yesterday, I had more hits, and the main thing is that I went from about 105 subs 2 weeks ago to 119. So that's important. It doesn't matter where you get your subs, you should get some subs because we're heading to monetization. So doing a collaborative, shorts are a very easy way to increase your volume and increase your exposure without actually generating a lot of effort. More or less, there's a lot of shorts creators who do skits and stuff like that, but in its entirety, shorts are going to be less labor, I feel, than long form content. And adding them in, sprinkling them in with your content will just give you more exposure and just more chances to get hit by the algorithm. And then just, you know what I mean? More is better. You know what I mean? A lot of people seem to think that more is not better, but it is. It's just better overall. You want more content so you get more views, whatever. YouTube wants you to create more content. And in just making content, I made this in a short. Your 500th video is going to be better than your 10th video. So no matter what you do, you could just get up and then turn the camera on and then talk for a minute and then turn the camera off. And if you do that 500 times, your 500th version of that, no matter what you're doing, is going to be better than your 10th one. So I'm just saying, like, more is better. Okay. Now we'll see how today goes with my shorts uploading because I'm feeling a little bit less confident today about this. Like the ideas seem to churn out a lot better because like these were fresh, new ideas. But you know, you make 90 videos or 60 shorts in 5 days, then it's kind of tough. Or I don't know, it's kind of tough to imagine that I'd be able to do it again and again and again and keep hitting, and especially going for 40 today. But part of the reason why I'm going for 40 today is because um, I am afraid of it. So normally when I sense that I'm afraid of something, I push into it even harder. So yeah, so there's my little tip, my little breakdown. Do some shorts, get a little bit more exposure, get some more subs to help your channel out a little bit. And it's not a lot of extra labor. Like if you format it, if you structure it in a way like I did doing it at work on your break time, because like yeah, sure you're doing your break time's supposed to be for you, but break time. But what are you really gaining? You're usually just like spending time working, watching content, people getting making other people money, watching their content when you could be like producing, I don't know, taking notes on a video or I don't know, studying, producing. I think to produce. I think the best teacher is producing. So there's my little tip. Produce shorts. I know it sounds like a no brainer, but there we go. Goodbye. Hope you like, subscribe.